In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your new Solink Video Alarm Tablet, including some simple setup instructions. To start, come to the Alarms page in Solink, select the Alarm Configurations tab, and then select the location where the Video Alarm Tablet has been installed. Next, select the Setup Arm Disarm Pin button here, and then select Setup with Tablet. Okay, so let me run over what each of these fields mean. This allows us to see how many tablets have been installed at this location. You can see the tablet phone number here, so if I were to call this number, this would actually connect to the tablet and I could have a two-way conversation with people at the location. We do have a phone number security code here, which allows you to prevent spam calls. So if you're to call this tablet phone number, you'd have to enter this security code. Finally, we have the arm and disarm countdown field. It's set to 30 seconds by default. This means that when somebody goes to put in the PIN number and arm the alarm system, they have 30 seconds to leave the premises before the alarm system is active. For disarming, when they enter the premises and need to disarm the system, they have 30 seconds from the time that the camera sees them to disarm the system and put in the correct PIN. Once you're ready, click Save. Next, you're going to want to create a PIN number for the Video Alarm Tablet so that people can arm and disarm the system using this PIN. Go ahead and click Add New PIN. Type in the PIN number here. Here you can name the PIN. For example, if you wanted to assign this PIN to all of your store managers, you could name the PIN Store Managers, and that allows you to keep track of it in Solink. I'm just going to call it Main PIN for now, though. And finally, by default, when the user enters this PIN, it will disarm the system until the next scheduled period. But you could also configure this so that when a user enters the PIN, it would disarm for a set period of time and then rearm the system after that amount of time. Finally, click Save to create the PIN. So to use the Video Alarm Tablet, it's as simple as typing in the correct 4-digit PIN to arm or disarm the alarm system. Remember that after arming, the person will have 30 seconds by default to leave the premises, but this can always be changed in the Arm Disarm Countdown field right in Solink. Every arm, disarm, and invalid event is saved and stored on the Events page in the Solink platform. Under the Audit tab, you can find all the audit events and search by PIN name. Each tablet is assigned a phone number for incoming calls, allowing for two-way communication. When you call the tablet, it connects automatically.
Hello?
Solink Security, please identify yourself.
Hi, I'm here for delivery.
Remember that you can set a phone number security code in Solink to avoid spam calls. You can also find the tablet phone number directly from Solink in the tablet phone number field. After a call, a log event is created, detailing call duration, the incoming number, and a call transcription. Note that the transcript portion can be turned off if needed. If you do have any issues with the tablet, we do have a troubleshooting guide in the Help Center, and you can reach out to our support team through phone or live chat.